What's up, everybody? It's gonna be a banger. We left all the hits on the left side. Can it be a 3-hit box? Can there be an SP? Red mangas? Wow. Anything, please. Let's go. And everyone, if you like the content you've been watching and seeing so far, please hit that like button and or subscribe. It helps the channel immensely. Alright, that's enough begging. Here we go. Let's get right into it. Let's go. I'll just pull them out of the box. Lilith, and it's SEC. The one we haven't seen. That's how it goes sometimes. Still stuff about this SEC. Can't get everything you want. I'm sure it's helping try. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.